Hey robot fans, welcome back to the vlog. A couple weeks ago I posted my video featuring my armor. Gotta get one last use out of that one. And I mentioned that I chose a more basic construction for my compad, one without the little antenna indication, and I said that the reasoning behind that was a mildly interesting story. So now, I bring you a mildly interesting vlog post. So way back when in 2017, when I first started getting into this project, I began planning my compad. For those of you who are following this vlog, you'll know that my goal here is to make a functional compad that'll control all of the electronics in my helmet. It's a pretty ambitious project, but if you can believe it, it started off even more ambitious. In addition to all the functionality, I wanted to use mechanical switches for the keys, the kind that you would find in like a mechanical keyboard. I got all of these Cherry MX Blue switches, the kinds that go extra clickety-clack. And I built out an actual compad with these in mind, which was pretty huge and ultimately too huge to even fit into the arm, but it was still pretty cool nonetheless. Now another feature on this huge compad was, drumroll, the antenna. I decided to blow it out and make it a functional antenna, and bonus points, I used the same antenna that you would find on the back of BB-8's head as a little homage to my favorite rolling droid. I sent this video off to the people who decide if things are approvable or not, and guess what? Denied. Too big, right? Wrong. The reason it was denied was because of the antenna. Now, while there is an indication of a functional antenna on a compad for all of the clones, there is no canonized media that shows an actual functioning antenna in anything that has to do with Star Wars. Therefore, denied. Now, the reasoning behind this decision is totally understandable. They want to keep everything within the lore, but the idea for me that an indication of an antenna is totally cool, but an actual antenna isn't, that idea stuck with me, and I decided to make the totally childish and petty decision to have no antenna. If I can't have exactly what I want nothing at all. And that's why I made the compad with no antenna. And yeah, that's it. That's my mildly interesting compad story. I realize it was more mild and less interesting, but that's the way things are sometimes. So stay tuned for the next vlog post. I promise it'll be even more interesting because we actually have an update on this compad project and we will get into all of that. But until then, I am wishing you all a mildly interesting day.